In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up on GoDaddy. To get started, open the GoDaddy website in your browser. Make sure you're on the official homepage so you can safely create your account and avoid any confusion. Once the site has loaded, take a moment to look toward the top area of the page, where you'll usually find the account access options. From there, click on Sign In. Even though you don't have an account yet, this is the section where GoDaddy gives you the option to either log in or begin creating a new account. After clicking Sign In, look for the Create an Account option and select it to move forward. At this point, GoDaddy will show you different ways to sign up. You may see options such as signing up with an email address or using another connected account. In this example, we'll choose Google. This can be a quick and convenient option, especially if you want to speed up the registration process and avoid filling in everything manually. After selecting Google, you'll be prompted to choose or enter the email address you want to use for your new GoDaddy account. Once you do that, continue through the sign-in window. Depending on your setup, you may also be asked to enter your password for that account. Just follow the prompts that appear on your screen carefully. These prompts may vary slightly depending on your device, browser, or whether you're already signed into Google. As you continue, GoDaddy may guide you through a few final confirmation screens to complete the setup. Read each page before clicking through so you understand what you're agreeing to. This is also a good time to review any account preferences or optional settings that may appear during sign-up. If everything is entered correctly, your account should be created in just a few moments. Once that's done, you'll be able to access your GoDaddy account and start using its services, whether that's domain management, hosting, or other website tools. One helpful tip is to make sure you use an email address you can access easily, since you may need it later for verification, account recovery, or important notifications. Also, if a pop-up window doesn't appear when you choose Google, check whether your browser is blocking pop-ups and allow it temporarily if needed. And that's it. That's how to sign up on GoDaddy quickly and easily by using the Google sign-up option.